Ravi sat on the park bench, his eyes blankly watching the children play. Just a year ago, he had graduated with top marks in engineering. Full of hope, he had dreamed of landing a good job, supporting his family, and building a better future. But now, he felt like a failure. Over 100 job applications, countless interviews, and still, no job. Around him, his friends seemed to be in the same boat. Anjali, who topped her MBA class, was working at a call center just to make ends meet. Farhan, a brilliant coder, was freelancing for pennies. The competition was crushing. It wasn't just about talent anymore, it was about connections, timing, and sometimes, sheer luck. As days passed, Ravi began sinking deeper into depression. Social media didn't help. Everyone seemed to be doing better. His parents grew silent, their eyes asking questions they no longer voiced. He felt like he was drowning. One day, an elderly man sat beside him on the same park bench. He was neatly dressed and carried an air of calm confidence. "You look tired, son," the man said kindly. Ravi sighed. "I studied hard. I did everything right. But the jobs, they're just not there," the old man nodded. "I understand. The world has changed. Degrees are important, but skills and mindset matter more now. Tell me, can you build a website?" Ravi hesitated. "I know the basics." "Good. That's a start," the man smiled. "Back in my day, jobs came to us. Today, you have to create your own. The internet is your playground. Learn something valuable. Offer a service. Build something. Don't wait for the door to open, build your own." That evening, Ravi went home and thought deeply. The man's words echoed in his mind. The next day, he signed up for a free online course in full-stack development. He started waking up early, creating sample projects, and uploading them online. Slowly, his confidence returned. Within 3 months, Ravi got a small freelance project. Then another. He began networking with clients and other freelancers. Soon, he wasn't just working, he was thriving. He formed a group with his unemployed friends. Together, they started a startup offering web solutions to local businesses. They learned to market, to pitch, to negotiate. It wasn't easy, but it was fulfilling. They were no longer waiting for opportunities, they were creating them. Today, Ravi speaks at colleges and youth centers. His message is simple but powerful: don't let competition break you. Let it shape you. Learn. Adapt. Create. The world may not give you what you expect, but it will reward what you build. The youth may be struggling with unemployment, but the solution lies not just in waiting for jobs, it lies in creating value. Depression fades when purpose is found. And purpose comes from action. Every ending is a new beginning. Like Ravi, every young dreamer can find their turning point. All it takes is courage, resilience, and a little spark of belief.